Well, this is about as close as I can get. You really got to be here to see this. The wind's blowing about 20, 30 miles an hour just from the water pushing it. As you can see, it's getting wet real fast. God, I love this. It's like being in a Cat 3 hurricane, really, a Cat 2, something like that. I don't know if you can hear it or even see it now. Again. Oh man, I love it. I never miss it when it does this. It's worth it. A lot of other people here too. This is a site that locals don't want to miss. It only happens like every few years. This is only, I think, the 4th time in 30 years that I've been living here that they've done this.